Morning, boys and girls. It's Friday. Let's get started on our Wordly Wise test. This is lesson 5. Let's just review the directions. Put your name and your number on your paper. Listen to the word as I say it. Pause the video and then write the word on your paper. When you write your word, say it, whisper say it out loud so that you're not missing any letters. Then press play for the next word. And finally, on the back of your paper, I'd like 4 interesting sentences using your Wordly Wise words. All right, let's get started. Number 1, amaze, amaze. Freddie amazed his parents by tidying his room without being told. Amaze. Number 2, Arctic, Arctic. Many people could not start their cars during last week's Arctic weather. Polar bears and owls, snowy owls, are some of the animals that live in the Arctic. Number 3, court, court. After school, my friends and I met at the basketball court to practice different shots. Court. Number 4, elect. This year, Sherry elected to go to a summer camp closer to home. Elect. Number 5, interval. Interval. The row of trees that are bordering the road had been planted at intervals of 40 feet apart. Intervals. Number 6, league. League. The league began in 1993 to play wheelchair basketball. League. Number 6, limit. Limit. At our library, the limit to the number of books a person can borrow at one time is 2. Limit. Okay, I think we might be on 7 or 8. Milestone. Milestone. On our hike, we rested by a milestone that said, Indianapolis, 26 miles. Yesterday, we learned about a milestone in basketball history. Milestone. All right, I think we're at number 9. Sorry, boys and girls. Number 9, recreation. Recreation. Sally's favorite recreation is reading. Sally's favorite recreation is reading. And number 10, boys and girls, tackle. Tackle. In the game of football, a tackle is when you knock someone over. Tackle. Okay, boys and girls, this should be number 11. And now we're going to make sure that we really understand the definitions. Again, when you are writing down your answer, please whisper read your word so that you make sure you get all the letters in the word. Okay? All right, number 11. This word means to choose by voting for something. To choose by voting for something. Number 12. This word means a group of people on a sports team. A group of people on a sports team. This word means the tools that one person might use if they go fishing. It also means when you knock someone over in a football game. Next word. This word means a space between something. The space between something. Okay, boys and girls, this word, next word, means an important event. An important event. And this word means a line or a point where you can't go beyond. It means that you can't do, this tells you only what you can do. You can't do something beyond that. All right. That concludes our test for today, boys and girls. Please look again at your words, say them, make sure you have all the letters in them. Flip your paper over, and I'm anxious to see your 4 interesting sentences. Have a great day.